Today we're going to can tomatoes. The first step is to slip the skins off of the tomatoes, and to make that process easier, I am cutting an X in the blossom end of the tomato. Then place the tomatoes into the boiling water and watch for signs that the skin is beginning to loosen, anywhere from 30 seconds to around a minute. And the next step is to plunge it immediately into ice water. You'll see how easily the skin slips off the tomato. Once you've done that, you're ready to chop them for salsa, can them whole, halved or quarters, or squeeze them into tomato juice. Only high acid foods can be processed in a hot water bath. So we need 2 tablespoons of commercial lemon juice for each quart. At this point you could add salt, and every layer or so we're going to push them down with a wooden mallet. We want to take a plastic knife around your jar because we want to make sure that there are no air bubbles in between our tomato halves. We want a 1/2 inch of headspace. I want to clean the top of my jar, making sure there's nothing between the glass rim and the gum sealing compound on the lid. Twist the ring in place just until it is finger tight. We're going to place it in our hot water bath canner. Keep a pan of boiling water on hand. Pour it to the side. The jar should be covered by 1 to 2 inches of boiling water. Cover it with a lid. Turn your stove to high. And in our case, we have a quart of halved tomatoes. The processing time will be 85 minutes. If you had used smaller bits of tomatoes or tomato juice, your processing time would be less. Tomatoes are the most popular thing to can. However, make sure that you're using a recipe that has been tested.